Hello, and welcome to my class. Today, we're going to be talking about string theory. But I can't seem to remember what string theory is exactly. Oh! Now I remember. String theory is the theory that states that the universe is composed of vibrating strand-like filaments of energy, called strings. Though originally comprised of 5 different versions of the same theory, they were eventually all unified by N. Witten's development of M-theory. String theory is also similar to the grand unified theory, a model that tries to describe the universe and states that there are 3 forces, electromagnetic, and the weak and strong nuclear forces, and attempts to combine these two into a singular force. Here's a diagram of a string. Looks a lot like a rubber band, doesn't it? Well, in actuality, it might look more like this, due to the fact that the strings vibrate constantly. These vibrations are also what give particles their unique characteristics, such as their mass and charges. And here is what a string might actually look like, because, according to string theory, a string is 100 billion times smaller than an atom, and as you can gather, it is completely unobservable to the human eye and by any technology we currently have. Another interesting thing of note in string theory is that if this theory is proven to be true, then there would be 11 spatial dimensions, adding 6 onto the 4 that we already have, the 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time. It would also confirm the existence of parallel universes. Now class, are there any questions about what I just said? Yes, you.
Me?
There's no one else in the room.
How was string theory discovered?
That's a really good question. Allow me to answer it. One day, a young physicist by the name of Gabriele Veneziano discovered string theory entirely by accident through an equation called Euler's equation developed by another fellow physicist, Nobel Prize-winning Richard Feynman, which was used to describe the strong nuclear force. The equation spread and was eventually studied by a young American physicist, Leonard Susskind, who discovered that the equation described what came to be known as a string. Facing many anomalies or mathematical inconsistencies, there seemed to be little hope for string theory as it struggled to push its way to plausibility in the scientific community. Eventually, however, it was solved, and free of anomalies in one summer of 1984 after a long time of work by the duo of Michael Green and John Schwarz, 2 other young physicists. However, though the mathematical portion of the theory has been proven to be scientifically plausible, the unfortunate truth is that the theory is entirely untestable in this current point in time, due to the fact that strings are completely unobservable. Anyways, thanks for joining us in this very brief overview of string theory. And when I say brief, I mean brief.
Oh, cool, what's this? Oh, I just found a string. This is. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is just a rubber band.